Hello, hello. It is time for this week's Dollar Tree haul. And I first have to say thank you so much to all of you that are sending me different hats. It's below zero here in Chicago on some days, so I get to switch them off. And look at how pretty crocheted hat this is. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get started. Dollar Tree, of course, Valentine's Day is coming. And look at all the pretty flowers. If you watched just the other day, we did our flowers balls on the candlesticks. So you have to go back to my YouTube channel to check those out because they're really simple and fun to make, and you can do them with any occasion and any flowers. So go over there to my YouTube channel and subscribe so you don't miss anything fun. So of course they have the picks and things like this. You can also make beautiful vases with the artificial flowers. They've really vamped it up with their flowers and how pretty they are. And then you can add the pretty picks to get a little bit of decoration in there as well. I have a project that I have been wanting to do for so long, and one of the things that held me back was the boxes from Dollar Tree. The lids were really, really tight, and I didn't like working with that. And when I found one of the boxes that was loose enough, now we're ready for the project. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned because this one's super easy too, but you're going to be able to make some fun gifts with this or even for yourself. The other thing I got was make it happen because we need to make things happen in 2018. Let's not, oh, I got tongue-tied there, 2018. Let's not like sit around and wait for things to happen. Let's make them happen. And this has a magnet, so it's great for the refrigerator. I like to write lists of things that I need to do and cross them off. For some reason, it really works to get things done. They have the candlesticks, and again, we did our project during the week, so these are what you're going to need for that. But I have another project coming up that I'm going to show you, so you might want to buy a few of these, and we're also going to use paper napkins in that one, so there's always something fun coming up. They have the cute St. Patrick's Day. Oops, that one's coming. They have the cute St. Patrick's Day. This would make a really cute wreath. All you have to do is make your curl method. Perhaps I'll do that one for you guys. We can add the sign in the middle. We can put the little legs on the bottom and the hats. You're going to want to pick up some of these because this is going to make a great wreath. And I will try and get that done for you guys. They have this really cute, it's for decorating. Super Bowl Sunday's coming up, and yes, we have a football wreath coming up, so you're going to want to check that out as well. That will be up soon. I do have my 4th round of chemo coming up. I am so, so happy because then I only have 2 more. So you guys got to be patient with me. I'm trying. When I feel good, which is usually my 3rd week, is when I try to catch up and do my videos. So a lot of things are pre-recorded because I still want to share with all of you. Then, of course, spring is coming. These sell out so, so fast. These are the different bats. And it smells like spring. I mean, I just can't wait for spring and flowers. And I love the change in the weather, but more so this year because I am fighting to be healthy. So I love the smell of these. And they also have the lavender wipes. I mean, who doesn't love lavender? I know a lot of people with their different senses don't like it, but it's so calming to me. And these are the facial wipes. So they have those as well. And this is also something you might want to pick up like for Easter. So if you have a teenage daughter or something, now's the time to get it because you can make up a beautiful basket with the different body oils and things like that to have it upright. So you can put it together, a gift for your teenage daughter or your mother or somebody, and it's going to be really cute and smell wonderful. So you want to do that. And then we have things that I purchased, and yes, we are coming to the end of our haul, but this is something else that's a goal of mine this year, and that's to get organized. So because we have so many different things for crafting, they have this 2 set. It's basically for belts and things, but you can find other things. And I don't know if you've watched, I've done a few live videos, and one of them was to take the pencil cases that have the ring on it that you would put like inside of a notebook. Well, what you can do is buy those silver loops from Dollar Tree, and you can take this and you can put your little craft supplies in there, and then you can take that pencil case and you can hang them on here so you can be organized, and then just put them on a hook, and when you need your case that's got maybe your sequins or your little pom-poms in there, all you have to do is take it off. So that's just another great idea to be able to get organized this year. And last but not least, I love this. I have 3 of them actually because all those small parts from crafting get all over the place, and I was really, really happy to see the large containers. These are $1 a piece, but they do sell the smaller ones that are in a 2-pack. Those are the original ones I worked with. So what you do is you get a pan from Dollar Tree, just a regular baking. If you want, you can spray paint this. It's not going to make a difference on the magnetic. And look at how cool that is. And what I did was I hung mine. So I took a screw and I put a hole in here. And I actually screwed them to the shelf so that this doesn't come off, which is the pan, but I can just take my containers right off. You can screw these to a wall. You can make a whole wall full of them. And then you have all those little parts like these little sequins that drive you crazy and get everywhere. And you can put them on here. So look, if we have, let's see how many you can get on here. I have 6 on here right now. And no, we could probably fit 2 small ones on here. So, you know what I mean? It just depends on how big and if you mix these up with the smaller ones. But this is a great way to get organized in 2018. And as soon as I get organized, I'm going to show you guys all the ideas that I came up with to clean cabinets and do different things. And we're going to get organized and fun and creative together this year. So thank you so much for watching. I do have a lot of things coming up. Sometimes I don't like to mention them because some of you just keep saying, when are you going to make this? When are you going to make this? And believe me, I want to make it for you, but I got to take care of me first so that I can do that for all of you. So thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for all the beautiful gifts and cards that you guys send me. You lift my spirits. You give me purpose. And I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for that. So until our next Dollar Tree haul, be sure to go back and check out our flower balls because those are really fun for the holidays. You can make them for anything, including birthdays. And we have some fun things that would be props for birthdays as well. So stay tuned. Follow me on Facebook. The link is below if you want to connect with me there. It's not all crafting. It's about my life and things that are going on as well. But I would love to have you come join me. So until I see you guys again, happy crafting, happy shopping, and I will see all of you again soon. Bye now.